guys, welcome to the channel. We've made it back in my hometown. We're in the big tundra. Today is the day that we're picking up the built Celica GTS. It is completed. It is Friday. I'm really excited. I got a lot of things to do to make this all happen. So first things first, we gotta go to the bank, get some cash. I'm paying Sal, my mechanic, with some cash. He likes cash. I got an insane deal to get all this done. Like extremely affordable to get the entire setup. So I'm really excited. So let me go head over to the bank, grab my money. Then we're actually gonna meet my mechanic, and then we're gonna pick up or get the car, and then we'll come back and pick it up in like an hour. So it's a big process, and I'll take you guys for the entire ride. We'll have a first drive with the new built engine in this video. I'm really excited. I'll continue the Celica content. We are in the tundra, and the tundra's amazing. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's get to it. Let's go. Okay, so we got the cash. Unbelievable. All this work was such little. It wasn't very much. I'll tell you guys that later in the video. Hey, look, a Celica. Woo! Go to buymrray.com, grab one of these TRD badges for your Toyota Tundra, your Toyota 4Runner, or your Toyota Tacoma. All of these fit off awesome looking TRD badge. Look how good that looks. All right, so now we got the cash. We got to go get the car. Okay, there's the Tundra, looking amazing. I just drove the GTS, by the way. I just picked it up. It is awesome. It's so quick. So the Celica's over here. This is my buddy Sal's place. But what I'm gonna show you guys, I wanna show you real quick the 2zz that blew up real quick, and then I'm gonna pay Sal real quick. Celica drives amazing. I love it. But let's go ahead and check out the 2zz I blew up real quick. Okay, so here's the blown 2zz, 160,000 miles on it. Look at this, right here. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the GTS, baby. It's fast, I'm loving it. So we're gonna leave it here right now because I don't have a ride. So we're gonna leave it here. It's pretty dirty. The car's been out for a long time. It looks so sharp, so mean. It drives really fast. It's way faster. It's so much of a newer engine. With the built parts onto it too, it does make more horsepower. So let's leave it here. Let's go get in the Tundra. We're gonna go get my brother-in-law. And then we'll be back, and I'm gonna pick up the GTS, and he'll film it a little bit, and oh my gosh, we'll do that intro. I'm so excited. I'd love to have this car back. Okay, so we got the kids, we got the new hats. Look at that new swag. What do you think of the new swag? Good. It's good? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go, so I got my brother-in-law, we're gonna go and get the Celica. So let's go get the Celica now. We got the Tundra, he'll drive the Tundra back, and then we're gonna go ahead and pick up the Celica, and I'll show you guys all around. I'm excited. Let's do it, let's go. Oh yeah. Dang, that's a good looking truck. So my brother-in-law is gonna go, he's gonna go get lunch. He dropped me off, he's driving the Tundra. I love that, look at that thing. That is a good looking truck. But we got a GTS right here. So let's get in the GTS. He's gonna go, I'm gonna meet him back at my parents' house. That is a good looking truck. All right, let's get in the Celica. There he goes. I love that truck. Those wheels look amazing. Okay, so here's the GTS. Let's take it to the car wash. Okay, there's the beauty. This is what everyone's on my channel for. This right here. This is my 2004 Toyota Celica GTS. This is a GTS. Don't forget that little badge. GTS. TRD exhaust. Authentic Tsunami edition with a new monkey wrench racing built 2zz, made it to a 6-speed manual transmission. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful 6-speed transmission. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Soon to be turboed. I cannot wait. There's gonna be a big intercooler. It's ready to go. I got the intercooler coming. So let's go ahead and spray all this down, get it all clean. We're gonna run a nice cinematic intro. This is it. So what we're gonna be doing on the next video too is we're gonna be driving this car back to where I live. It's like 200 miles. My mechanic said you should change the oil in about 1,000 miles since it's a new motor and there's new stuff on it. And then in that video, on the next video as we drive, I'm gonna tell you all the mods that I've done to it. I've done a lot of stuff to this 2zz now. It's gonna be perfect to be turboed. The reason that it has a check engine light is because it's a 2003 2zz, so it does not have the air injector or the exhaust air injection back in, so it throws a code for that. I'm pretty sure that's why. Otherwise, I'll run a code when I get back, and it'll continue to do that with the turbo kit until I get the new FIC, the ECU piggyback installed on it. So let's go ahead and wash the car down. This is gonna be amazing, 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 amazing build. Just finished up spraying down. Now, a lot of people say, oh, don't spray the engine bay. It's fine, they're fine. You don't do it every day, just every now and then to spray it, get it all clean. There was a bunch of dust and grime. One from when I got the front of the car painted, because remember guys, I literally just got this car painted. And then two, the oil and grease from removing an engine and installing a new engine. So keep that in mind. I do need to install a new valve cover gasket, which I will be doing. There's a little bit of a leak on this one, he is saying. This one is from Monkey Wrench Racing, so I don't know if Monkey Wrench, they didn't put a new one on there or whatnot, but I need to put a new valve gasket, which I will show you guys probably how to do that. Let's dry the car off. Let's grab the microfiber from MITSUBISHI.com and then go for a drive and wrap up this video. MITSUBISHI.com, swing by, grab one of these. And then, of course, I am having a Black Friday deal. So if you guys go to Black Friday, it's all weekend. You can get a TRD badge. That's my short shifter. That is the best short shifter, is mine. A TRD badge, a lot of goodies, LED dome light. You can get a bunch of stuff on MITSUBISHI.com. So make sure to swing by MITSUBISHI.com, grab that. I'm gonna drive this car, go for a drive, wrap up the video. Okay, yes, we are back. So again, check engine light. I don't know, I'll have to read it. I'm assuming it's because it's a pre-2003. I actually wanted a pre-2003 so that when I put the turbo on, it actually doesn't have any leaks above there. It makes it easier. This is a 2004, so the original setup for this is the engine that has that. But what we're gonna do now is just go on the highway, get the engine warmed up. It does have a TRD thermostat, so it will run cooler for a while until the, it'll take a little bit longer for the Celica to warm up. So I want you guys to be aware of that because I do have a TRD thermostat. I have a Mishimoto radiator, lots of race parts on this. You can't really see them just from looking at the engine bay, but they're all there. So a lot of good stuff. New plugs, new coils, new. Everything's new on this car. Gonna be a very good build. But lift does pull very hard. I've already hit lift without you guys. So let's warm this thing up. And oh, I do have the new comp clutch and the Monkey Wrench MWR flywheel on here, and it is a beautiful engagement. Absolutely a thrill to drive. Just really good. Everything feels good on it. I have the MITSUBISHI.com short shifter, like I mentioned earlier. Very good setup. Very enjoying this a lot. So let's warm this car up. Okay, so we've climbed up a hill. We're out in the middle of nowhere. This is where you guys are gonna see. This is where I grew up. No man's land. This is Star Wars. So we still have that check engine light. I haven't read it. I don't really care. I'm fine with it. I think the 2zz is fine. We're gonna go ahead and I'll put it into third gear. So we're in fourth currently. I'll put it in third gear, and we'll give it some power and see what it feels like and what do you guys think of it. So, all right, we're gonna come right up here around the corner, and we're gonna let it go. And in 3, 2, 1, let's roll into it. So now we're full throttle into it. Let's see if the VVTLI works. New built engine. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, it feels good. It feels good. I need an alignment. I definitely needed an alignment really bad. Ooh, that feels good. That was nice. And we're climbing up a hill. Keep that in mind too. So healthy 2zz. We got 9 miles on the new engine. Probably shouldn't be driving it too hard. We'll just do one more little break-in pull. I'm gonna do one more little pull. Do you want to do a second gear or third gear? Let's do a second gear. Oh, it revs quick with that new flywheel. Did you guys see that? It revs quick. So a little bit of love here, and we'll roll into it. Yep. Oh yes, it's happy. That's a nice 2zz. Very nice, very smooth, very enjoyable. Sounds healthy. TRD exhaust is sounding good. I'm loving this. This is nice. Good setup. I definitely need an alignment. You guys can see that the wheel's shaking. I have those, I don't remember, what are they? Oh, the BRZ STI wheels. And then I also have the 1-inch spacers, I think is what I put on here. I don't remember. Definitely need an alignment. The front of the car has a shaky steering wheel when you're going about 70 miles an hour. So just need an alignment. I also put the new stag springs on, the lowering springs, and I still haven't got an alignment from them either. So let's do one more pull, because this is why you guys came here. We'll do the intro video and then wrap up this video. So we're gonna go around a little sport curve here. So let's roll into it. And this is what the Celica is for, is going around corners. Oh yeah, we're gonna engage lift. And we're in lift around a corner. And it's just beautiful symphony. Oh, it's so beautiful. We'll hit lift in 4th gear. We're gonna be going a little fast here. Here's lift right there. Oh yes, I love it. Very, very fun. Very smooth, really nice build, very, very good. Loving it. All right, so let's go ahead and do the intro. One of the things I did want to say though too, real quick as I get out here, we're gonna take photos here, is the idle on this thing is so good. It just goes right down to like 900 or 1000 and just sits there perfectly. No hunting, none of that. It's a very good sounding engine. So many modifications on this 2zz. This will be the perfect. Soon you guys will be hearing the boost noises and watching that thing climb, just like the MR2, where the MR2 climbs up real quick. It'll be doing that real soon. This is a good day. I am very happy. This is a very, very good day. Amazing. I love this car. This is my car. I love, love, love. This is the one. This is the Celica that I love. So beautiful. So, so, so beautiful. Absolutely my favorite angle of all time. Look at that. That is one of the most sporty cars ever. This little guy right here, this little crescent moon right here, perfect, perfect, perfection. Such a good looking car. My favorite, one of my favorites. I'm in love with this one. This one is so good. Beautiful. So we got it, we did it, we got it back. You guys saw it, drives good. Find out what the check engine light is. I don't really care. It's gonna be boosted soon anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I'm excited. So some more expectations for this car. We're gonna be doing a lot of little small stuff. I won't remove like the front bumper and remove all the parts to do the turbo. Probably for like another month or two. Probably around there. Probably like January-ish. That's probably when I'll start doing it. January, maybe January or February. And then we'll start doing that. And we're gonna do a full turbo build on this. We'll do some dynos. I should probably get this car dynoed NA with the motor like this and see if it makes any horsepower, any more horsepower. But we will get around to the turbo. We will, I promise you, we're gonna get it. I have it sitting in my garage, I just haven't installed it yet. This car is amazing. I want to put like 1,000 to 2,000 miles on it before I start the turbo. That's another thing. I really want the engine to be a little bit more worn in before I just slap a turbo right on it. Just want everything to sit and be happy. I'm sure it's all fine anyway, so it ran fine. But that's it. Swing by MitchUbishi.com, grab a hat, grab a microfiber, TRD badge, short shifter kit, whatever you want. JDM side markers coming soon on this car. You can get them on the website right now. Black Friday discount is live. Everything on the website, when you just purchase it, automatically has a savings. So sure to check that out. Toyota Celica GTS built engine. There you go. It's awesome. I love it. Super happy. Make sure to like, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.